stop worshipping our God the day they killed the last elephant. And his name is Ọkanube. Okike na ube in full, which means the one who is senior in spirit. He came down from the sky and he met Ifitana, the first people in Awka. Then he told them two things. First was how to smith iron. Then the second was how to make a spear and rub medicine on it so that it can bring down an elephant. Because that whole area was elephant country and there's still a place today we call Ama Enyi and Iyi Enyi. That Iyi Enyi is normally where they go to drink water. And whenever we are going to the bush for hunting, we go with the medicine he gave us and the iron he gave us. And the sacred object of Ọkanube is the elephant tusk, which is placed in the family shrine. Every household has it. Then the hunting medicine will be put inside of it. Once every year, you make sacrifice to it and also ask for a good season. This is what we did for generations after generation until all the elephants are finished. And this was even before the British properly arrived. The last elephant anyone saw was killed in 1910 by 3 hunters using the same medicine he gave us. And that was also the end of him. There is nothing left to hunt, so there is nothing left to ask of him. People stop bringing sacrifices to him. Go to his shrine today, there's nothing there. But that is a place a god used to be. But that name never left. We used to call ourselves Ụmụ Ọkanube. Then it was now reduced to Awka. Then the British colonial secretary came in 1908 and wrote it down as Awka. So the capital of Anambra state is carrying the name of that god in its mouth. Just that we stop praying to him. And that is why I hold on to what is ours. Because a lot of what is ours is disappearing without a trace. And it's also the reason I've gathered over 1,000 of our Igbo names with the meaning and how to say them. If you want to hold on to a piece of what is yours, then the link is in the bio.